I've made $115 with CPA marketing. And what I'm going to do right now is to request this payment. Now, it says payment request successful. So this is my PayPal account. And this is my current balance right now. We earned with CPA marketing. You can earn a minimum of $50 to $100 daily with CPA affiliate. So, as you can see, I have logged into the CPA Grip website. You can use any other CPA network if you wish. So, I'll just go ahead and log in now. Here, I simply click on the login option to log into the website. Once logged in, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will find the offer tool option. You need to click on this, and then click on the My Offers option. Once you are here, you will see a wide range of offers available. Friends, here you can see the payments. You are receiving payments of $1.45 and $2.57. You will find many gift card offers here. For instance, look at this Amazon offer. We can complete it using a mobile device. You get a payout of $2.57. You simply need to submit your email and zip code here to earn this amount. So just click on it. Look here. We can complete this offer using either a mobile or a desktop device. Notice that it says mobile/all here. This means we can complete the offer on mobile, desktop, or any other platform. Make sure to read the details. We simply need to submit an email or a zip code to earn $0.557. So, friends, you'll find the affiliate link here. You need to get your offer completed using this specific link. Only then will you receive the payout. You will find a copy link option here. Now, you will need a free landing page to promote this offer. This is because if you share the offer link directly on Facebook or Instagram, your account could get banned. System.io. Hey, you can create a free landing page for your offers, and it won't get your Facebook or Instagram account banned. If we look at their pricing plan, we can see we have a free plan that costs $0 per month. You can collect up to 2,000 contacts, send unlimited emails, run one campaign, and even send unlimited newsletters. Basically, almost everything you need to get started all for free. So, the link will be in the description below. Once you're on the page, just enter your email, click the button, and create your free account. Click on Settings, then click on Custom Domain. Now click on Edit Subdomain Name. Type here name of domain related with offer. Then click Save. Go to Sites. Then click on Sales Funnels. Here we will create our landing page. Click on Create. Then give your funnel a name. So use the offer name to keep things organized. Therefore, select Custom for the funnel goal, as our primary focus is getting the user to complete the task. Then save. Your funnel is ready to start customizing. Now if we open our funnel, you'll see various types of pre-built landing pages that we can use. Choose the one that suits your offer and we'll customize it with our details. Start by putting your offer name in the funnel. Make the headline something that grabs people's attention. Next, change the background image. For example, if it's an Amazon offer, you can grab an image from Google. Upload it here and click Insert. Then select the button and update the text to something like Amazon gift card or complete only 2 tasks. Make sure the button color stands out so it's visible at the top. Confirm the button action is set to Submit Form. Then choose to a custom URL for redirection. Paste your CPA grid link here. Remove all the unnecessary sections because as our primary focus is getting the user to complete the task. Make sure it looks clean and professional, as a well-designed landing page can boost your conversions. Once everything looks good, click Save, then Exit. Next, click on View Funnel. And that's it. Your landing page is ready to sending traffic straight to your offer. Alright, you have learned how to create an account on CPA Grid, select offers, and build landing pages. Or you can create a quiz, a spinning wheel for your offer. Click on Sign Up to create an account. Type here email ID and password, or you can sign up with Google. Once login, complete this process. You'll see look like this interface of AHA slides. Create your first slides. Form of a quiz, poll, word cloud, start with blank, or explore ready-made slides. Click on My Presentation. You can select ready-made slides over here, or you can select New Presentation. You can create a page here. Pick answer, short answer, spinning wheel, poll. We use a survey. Type your offer here then. Add some option below, or you can generate with AI. Click on Preview. This will take few seconds. Now page is ready. I haven't designed it properly, but you do it. You can create a CPA offer page on system.io or a Slides. I have shown you both methods. This is just a basic method. If you want to learn CPA affiliate marketing or other forms of affiliate marketing like ClickBank Jabzu or Warrior Plus, you will need a top-notch affiliate course. All affiliates share only basic information on YouTube, which isn't entirely wrong. The people making those claims on YouTube or any other platform are lying to get views. Don't waste your time, just visit on WAP and buy CPA affiliate marketing or other forms of affiliate marketing video course. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe the channel, like this video, and comments on the video also. But don't forget to share the video.